senator na po ang pangalan para po sa bilang kapalit niya po, sir?
Wala pa, no? Meron lang po IC now. We're waiting for his replacement. So, una sa lahat, I would like to congratulate si Yusek Nepomuceno on his appointment as BOC Chair. So kami naman sa OCD, nandyan naman kami, we're waiting. And under the leadership naman ni Secretary Tudoro, ay tuloy-tuloy naman ang trabaho. So siguro anytime soon, nandyan na rin yung kapalit.
Sir, as concerned office, ano po yung status ng imminent disaster bill?
We're waiting for, it's, pumasa naman sa Kongreso, no? So, next step dyan is, it will be approved or vetoed by the President. So far, wala namang balita, basta nandun na po. We're waiting na mapirmahan or mag-lapse into law yan.
How about the Department of Disaster Management?
Wala pong naipasa sa 19th Congress. Wala naman pong na-file na disaster department.